Welcome. In this video I'm going to cover how to screen capture pedagogical videos using Camtasia. This tutorial has been prepared for colleagues in the CSU who would like to start to prepare video material for online delivery. These tutorials will be shared via Merlotte. And if you don't know about Merlotte yet, it's an extraordinary open educational resources repository that is hosted at the California State University. Hopefully, in the same way that my video tutorials are going to be hosted here, in the short-term future, you will also share your videos with your colleagues across the system. I would like to start by showing you the different ways in which you can access these tutorials. Probably the best way to access the videos is by using the mind map that you can see on the screen right now. The mind map will allow you to move from branch to branch, from node to node, exploring the different parts of this tutorial. Navigating the mind map is fairly easy. You can click on these icons with a plus sign to display each one of the branches and child nodes. You can click on any of the blue text starting with an HTTP or an HTTPS, and that will open each one of the videos in a brand new tab. The second version of these tutorials provides you with an interactive table of contents. This is a different way of navigating the videos. When you click on this option, you will see this web page where you will be able to watch them all from beginning to end. On the left side, the videos are listed by title and they are sequential. You can make this interactive table of contents appear or disappear by clicking on this button over here, and you can decide to expand the videos to go full screen by clicking on this button over there. Very well. The third version is a document. All the videos are listed here in order. The main idea of providing you with multiple ways of accessing these tutorials is to facilitate your access and use. Very good. Let's do a quick tutorial overview. First, what are screen capture videos? Well, you're looking at one. In essence, it is an easy way for you to record the screen of your computer while your voice is being recorded too. This allows you to prepare material for your students in the form of a video that you will upload to the internet. There are many reasons why it is good to use screen capturing, but I will talk about those in detail in part 2. Specifically in this node called What to Screen Capture. Very well. Part 1 of the tutorial is very quick. The main objective of part 1 is to record a 2-minute video and to upload it to the internet in a very fast process. We will not cover Camtasia in detail before we accomplish this task. The main idea behind doing this is to raise your confidence that you can produce videos for your classes. So basically, I show you how to open the program, hit the record button, deliver a quick 2-minute presentation, stop the recording, exporting it to a web format, and then uploading it to the internet for delivery. After years helping colleagues learn Camtasia, this process of starting right away by making a small recording has worked really well. In part 2 of the tutorial, I jump into the details of producing screen capture videos like this one. I divided part 2 into 2 different parts. Production considerations and pedagogical considerations. In the production considerations, I will give you several tips to improving your video productions. In the pedagogical considerations, I will address many of the things that I have learned over the years that have helped me to deliver and prepare better screen capturing videos. And finally, in the third part, I invite you to participate in a learning community. It is very difficult to say that screen capturing videos are always good for all types of instruction. Quite to the contrary. It is expected that different disciplines could have different uses of this technology. Some disciplines might not have a need for a tool like this at all, while other disciplines can benefit greatly, especially those disciplines where the computer is heavily used. Very well. These tutorials have been prepared for both PCs and Mac operating systems. When I covered the PC parts of this tutorial, I used Camtasia 8 for Windows. When I tackled the Mac parts of this tutorial, I used Camtasia 2 for Mac. At the time of this recording, these are the two latest versions of Camtasia for PC and for Mac. Now, you should expect minor but manageable changes in the future. As Camtasia gets updated, it's possible that certain things will be moved around in the user interface. Seldom these changes are transformational. In other words, if the software changes, chances are most of the things that you will learn in this tutorial will remain true, even though in the interface things might be placed somewhere else. Previous knowledge that you need for these tutorials. The very first thing that you need to know is how to install software on your computer. The second thing, how to use the microphone on your computer, and this would be the case for both PCs, Macs, desktop or laptop computers. Also, how to change your computer screen size, and finally, how to change your computer's background. If you know how to perform these tasks in your computer, you have all the previous knowledge that is required for you to start. Very well. Installing Camtasia. At this moment of time, faculty in the CSU have access to a licensed copy of Camtasia at no cost. In other words, the CSU acquired a system-wide license to Camtasia for our use. If you would like to get a copy of the software, I recommend contacting your local academic technology office in your campus and asking for it. In case you want to start right away, you can obtain a fully functional version of Camtasia from TechSmith's website. Once that you have obtained a copy of the software, please install it on your computer, launch it, and play with it a little. Once that you have done that, you are ready for part 1, creating a quick 2-minute recording that you will upload to the internet. Very well, let's start.